Outspoken political activist Chelas Mawarire has accused President Emerson Mnangagwa of betraying Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, the man who played a key role in installing him as Zimbabwe's leader during the 2017 military coup. Zalabana mashoko kubuda panguva ino onekwa kunzi mutungamiriri wenyika yeZimbabwe panguva ino has been vehemently attacked after he has sidelined the vice president VP Constantino Chiwenga who installed him. Aiwa kana kumurescue panguva yaakanga ari in exile. Not subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina muna mobile nyukamchinzi posting on X omali Twitter. Mawarire said if ED could betray General Chiwenga who rescued him from his hiding hole in South Africa, anyone who thinks ED is loyal to anyone other than his selfish interest does not know the guy. The post references events of November 2017 when Mnangagwa fled Zimbabwe after being dismissed by then President Robert Mugabe. He reportedly crossed into Mozambique before seeking refuge in South Africa. Just days later, Chiwenga led a military intervention that forced Mugabe to resign, paving the way for Mnangagwa's return in the rise to the presidency. Mawarire's comments have reignited public discussion over alleged cracks in the relationship between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga, while the pair initially presented a united front following the coup. Recent developments, including reports of sidelining within party structures, have led to growing speculation of a power struggle. Neither Mnangagwa nor Chiwenga has responded to the claims, but Mawarire's remarks have gone viral online, with many Zimbabweans questioning the stability of the post-coup alliance that brought Mnangagwa to power. Tomba shukari kuda panguva ino arutaugwa naMawarire panguva ino achiexposa aiwa the situation iripo panguva ino inokonzwa VP Constantino Chiwenga kunyangwe akabetsera the Zimbabwean leader aiwa to gain aiwa the presidency panguva ino akonekwa kunzi is being sidelined and hazi kuda kana kuonekwa in the succession race kuda kutoinstoliwa vamwe not him. Tudze mavhunguro enyu matudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section yedu, subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.